मुंबई एक्सप्रेस न्यूज में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
So good afternoon to our lovely viewers. I'm coming to you live and exclusive from Lokhandwala. This is Mumbai Express coming to you live from Lokhandwala area. And this afternoon I have with me Mr. Raju Manmani, who's a very prominent figure in the Sindhi community. And he's just going to explain to us and going to shed light on what his campaign is. So good afternoon, Mr. Raju Manmani. And welcome to Mumbai Express. And thank you for talking to Mumbai Express. We would like to know from your and even our viewers as to what is the agenda of your campaign, sir.
Campaign means I am representing as an international president of Vishwa Sindhi Seva Sangam. What we are in 37 countries and 24 states of India. Basically for our community, we are just trying to reach to each and every our Sindhi brother and sister about our culture, our festivals, our language. And no doubt after 1947, only we people are there like who are not allotted any land where like we all Sindhi shifted from undivided India to India. Bengal and Punjab, everyone has got the land. But no problem, because as we Sindhis are very self-independent and self-made people, and we have our own determination, whatever we feel that we try to achieve. Today is a medical or is a bureaucrats or it's a business or it's a entertainment. You know that like what exactly the Sindhis are doing it. Through this association, we are just trying to create a federation of all the Sindhi association in all over the world, with one federation, with one voice to our central government and the state government, that in case we used to have 26 जनवरी के दिन एक सिंधियों की हमारी झांकी निकला करती थी, जो झांकियाँ निकलती हैं वो अब नहीं निकलती हैं, जो हम चाहते हैं कि वापस निकले। एक सिंधु भवन हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जो कि दिल्ली के अंदर होना चाहिए, जो कि नहीं है। एक लैंडलेस स्टेट भी होता है, उसके भी कुछ बजट पास होते हैं जो हमारे अगर सिंधी समाज उसका फ़ायदा उठा सकते हो, तो वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग फॉर दैट. वी आर ट्राइंग टू हेल्प दोज पुअर चिल्ड्रन हु वांट्स टू बिकम IAS or IPS officers, but they don't have money. We come forward to help them to become a IAS or IPS, and we don't need that money back to us. Just try to help them. The next any Sindhi guy or Sindhi boy or girl comes and become a IAS and IPS, so just to help them. Once in a year we are doing the convention. We are all over the world, countries, delegations are coming. Now recently even in Ram Mandir, our community, Sindhi community is giving near about 200 kg silver bricks to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji. And from Maharashtra, our former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis Sahab is going to represent us, that we are going to hand over that. It is the one wall of our Sindhi community also should be there in Ram Mandir. Being we are the Kattar Hindus, you can imagine that we left the Pakistan only because of that we don't want to convert ourselves in Islam. And that's the reason हम लोगों ने अपने घर बार बिजनेस बिल्डिंगें सब धंधे छोड़ करके हम लोग यहाँ चले आए, because we would like to be a Hindu and we don't want to leave our Hinduism. And that's the reason we are here. So it's just a small, and Vishwa Sindhi Seva Sangam is just trying to work as a bridge, as a setu. You can say that in all the associations that we should come unitedly and ask the government whatever we deserve. We don't want any unfairness or any unwanted things like what government cannot. But yes, we need that our culture should go long way to our new generation who don't know how to write and read our Arabic Sindhi or Devanagari Sindhi, but at least they should speak Sindhi. So that's we are trying to work on that.
Sir, and also could you just explain to the viewers about your Facebook interaction? I heard you have a lot of prominent figures coming on Facebook and you interview them face to face. So please could you shed light upon that to our viewers?
Sure. Vishwa Sindhi Seva Sangam along with Swena Sindhi Pune, we started in a Corona time. What we felt it, that people are getting bored at home, and also we came out with the idea on StreamYard, on Facebook live shows, where recently we have called Devendra Fadnavis Sahab, ex-Chief Minister, or Suresh Prabhu Sahab, or Shahnawaz Hussain Sahab, or Nitin Gadkari saab, like most of the known people from the Tollywood, Bollywood, politicians and businessmen, everybody, we are just trying to call and do the interaction and asking them a lot of questions about our community, as well as in this situation of India, what exactly they should take care of it. In Corona, I mean, unfortunately, we lost a lot of friends, our own friends also, but at least one thing is good, that people have started learning the Swachh Bharat, social distancing, neatness and cleanness, not only in the house, not only in the society, even outside the society also now. I mean, some of the good thing has happened, some of the bad thing has happened, but always we are learning something. Until we are alive, we had to be a student to learn something good. And I think so we are learning enough from this Corona also.
So, and I've just heard that, regarding this, they had like a small issue with Kailash Kher. Could you just shed light upon that?
See, being a human being, sometimes you cannot control your tongue, and possibly maybe he's not mean it, or maybe what he thought of it he has conveyed. But I spoke personally to Kailash Kher Saab, and he said I was not mean what exactly your community have understood. So now he's coming on Friday, this on 4th of September, on the Facebook live show, and he would like to explain that what exactly he said and why he said, and if there any feelings hurt by our community, he would like to definitely apologize for this. And I'm sure what I know Kailash Saab from last very long, he's not a person like to hurt somebody, but in case if he has said something and if somebody has misunderstood, he would like to clarify those things over there on 4th September on Facebook live.
So last question, would you like to give any of your feedback to our viewers regarding means how they should means if at all they want to follow you, how they should do it?
See, only you can help yourself, my dear. This is the Corona time. You have to be very positive. You have to keep smiling. You have to be happy. You keep talking to your friends, family. Try to enjoy yourself at home. And if it is very necessary, come out from the home. Otherwise, I feel we are thinking it very easy that Corona doesn't make any difference. But sometimes if effect, and I have seen even my 34 years old friend also lost yesterday, and even 60-year-old friend also has become completely all right, and he came out from the problem. So please be positive, happy, help yourself, and please don't forget to help those people who are really suffering a lot in this time. And if you'll come across, please try to help them, those poor people who must be not getting even the 2-time food also. And I'm sure that our duty is towards them also something. I sincerely thanks to Mumbai Express for giving me this opportunity, and wish you all the best to you.
So thank you very much, Dr. Raju Manmani, for spending some time with Mumbai Express. And this is Glenn Gonsalves coming to you live and exclusive from Lokhandwala. Thank you very much.